Hello folks, this is Jerry of Jerry Bidat TV. This is the unboxing video of my cold shoe mount for my camera. Because look at what I did here. This is my Panasonic camcorder, and look how can I adjust the zoom, because the zoom button is here under the microphone. My finger is not fit here. That's why I buy adapter to make it a little bit higher, like something like that, to make the access to this button, the zoom in and out. Look. Okay, let's unbox. I bought the Ulanzi PT12 triple cold shoe in a digit photo France, online store here in France. So let's see the inside. Oh no, inside, and I cut my receipt. And here she is, Ulanzi. Look, so dark. And here she is, voila! It's made of metal. That's why it's good quality. Look. So let's put in our camcorder here. Voila. Tight it. Then I put my microphone on the top. Voila! Now I can access the zoom in out button here. Wow! It's good. Look. And you can put another maybe lights or cameras, small camera here. Look. So nice. Voila! Like I said, you can put another apparatus here, maybe a second camera or GoPro, and lights here. Look. Very nice. Now I can use the zoom and out button, because before it's very near in the top. Voila. So this is my Ulanzi shoe mount, cold shoe mount for the camera. It's PT12, PT-12. Ulanzi PT-12. So, okay, folks. Thank you very much. See you in my next video, and please subscribe to jerryb.tv. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.